Your kidneys cleanse your blood by filtering out waste materials, extra water, and other contaminants. These waste materials are kept in your bladder and then eliminated by urination. By avoiding or controlling medical problems like diabetes and high blood pressure that harm the kidneys, you can protect them. According to research, the lifestyle changes listed below may support maintaining kidney health as well as the overall wellness of your body. 1. Stay hydrated. Lack of water is the main factor that leads to renal disorders. Take in a lot of water throughout the day. On occasion, water aids in the removal of poisons from your body. Therefore, it is advised to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day to keep your kidneys healthy. 2. Eating a healthy diet. Maintaining optimal body weight, lowering blood pressure, and avoiding diabetes, heart disease, and other illnesses linked to chronic kidney disease are all possible benefits of eating a balanced diet. Reduce your salt intake. 5 to 6 grams of salt per day is the recommended sodium intake. This includes salt that is already present in your diet. Try to limit the quantity of processed and restaurant food you eat, and avoid salting your food to lower your salt intake. If you cook the cuisine yourself with fresh ingredients, it will be simpler to limit your salt intake. 3. Maintain your blood pressure. Your kidney health and ability to function depend on your blood pressure. The CDC advises that you should maintain healthy kidney health by keeping your blood pressure below 140/90. Follow the instructions provided by your doctor if they have recommended a different blood pressure target for you. 4. Avoid overuse of over-the-counter drugs. Ibuprofen and aspirin are 2 examples of the class of over-the-counter painkillers known as nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory medicines, NSAIDs. They could increase the risk of both gradual renal damage and unexpected kidney failure. Many widely used over-the-counter medications include toxins that interfere with our kidneys' capacity to filter them, and excessive quantity can be harmful. In addition, many patients already have kidney impairment but are unaware of it. As a result, their capacity to eliminate the poisons is much more constrained, which increases the possibility of harm.